everyone, welcome back. Is the UpBank update stuck on waiting, failing to download, or not showing up in the App Store? Up updates frequently missing one means missing bug fixes and new features. Here's how to force it through. Open the App Store and then tap your profile picture icon in the top right corner. Pull down on the screen to force a refresh of available updates. Then, look for Up in the list and tap Update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting or the circle is frozen, go to your home screen. Then, tap and hold the Up icon and tap Pause to download and tap it again to resume the download to restart it. If it keeps failing, go to your settings, then go to General, go to iPhone storage, and make sure you have at least 1 gigabyte of free storage. Updates fail silently when storage is too low. Free up space by offloading unused apps, then retry. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, and if the App Store downloads consistently fails across apps, go to settings again and then tap on your Apple ID in the top of the settings and sign out and then sign back in to reset the App Store connection. So all you gotta do is go to your App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage, sign out and sign back in into Apple ID if needed. The update completes and that's it. Subscribe.